Howdy folks, Matthew found it here. I'm going to be making a egg muffin that you can bake. Okay, look, but seriously, bro, like these, they make things so much easier and they're really cheap. So like you should, I think there's a link in the description below. So just grab them. Sliced bread and then this, really. We got some tomatoes, an onion, some cilantro, sage, sausage. It's pretty good. Pro tip here, what you do with your kid is you just do that. You're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The oven is preheated and then you go check on your kid again and then you realize they're kind of a mess. Yeah, they are. And the meat shot. Like I said, these silicone cups, they bake. They're being baked at 350 degrees. So, no big deal to put hot flaming meat in it. Make sure to find a good piece and eat it. Onion chopped. Oh! Now, something I also wanted to mention is that I got all of these groceries from Shipped, which was so helpful the beginning when I had my son, getting things delivered to me. I think it was $50 when I signed up. I don't know what it is now, but man, it was just amazing. Some of the stores don't mark up any food, so $50 a year, get all the food that I want delivered to me. If you're interested in finding out more about it, there should be a link in the description below. You want to fill this up to about a half of what you think you should fill it up. That way that you can go back and kind of even your OCD out. You know what I mean? You don't want too much egg in one. Or you might blow a blood vessel. OCD full tilt. Oh yeah. Alright, the next step is, make sure your son's doing chores. Great job, buddy. You're going to put this in the oven. Start checking it about 15 minutes. Make sure that every couple minutes or so that you're kind of tapping it, you're squeezing it, all that jazz. In the meantime, you can give your son some really cool little treats. This is one that I made out of bananas and oats and chia seed and a little bit of flour. Not gluten-free, but pretty good. Comment down below if you'd like to see that recipe. It's a pretty good recipe. And you too can watch your son not eat it. Eat it. Yeah, don't give it to the dog. Don't give it. If you're really lucky, this is how they turn out. Eggs coming out of the oven. Yeah. So sometimes they flare up like this out of the hole, but that's fine. Look, and there you have it. Little muffin. See, this is it. It's right in there. And you just pop it out. Boom, just like that. Easy peasy. It looks delicious. And the real question is if Torian likes it. Do you like it? You don't want them all. Want another bite? Yum. Alright, that's it for me. Found you a great recipe for the little baby. Oh, what? Now you like it? Who are you trying to give it to? You trying to give it to the dishwasher?